Welcome back, my magical friends. Today on Pagan Crafting, I have a spooky and budget-friendly craft for you. We're making a witchy DIY skull potion stand, all for under $10. Perfect for displaying your potions, spell bottles, or even as witchy decor. I'll show you a step-by-step on how to take a simple, inexpensive items and transform them into a mystical stand that looks like it came straight out of an apothecary. Let's get crafting and bring some skull magic to your altar. Starting off with a kit that I got at the dollar store for about $5 Canadian. It's a press board with veneer on top. Perfect for taking the paint I'm going to be using. I'm going to be rocking spray paint on this. So I'm going to take off the bottom sticker so that also gets coated on the bottom too. So, spray paint. You could use gloss or matte, whichever you like. This one's gloss because it just happens to be what I have. Taken some Halloween skulls, also from the dollar store. They were about $1.50 for a pack. These ones are ready to go. I am not going to dry brush these skulls because I'm going to be spray painting them solid black too. So I'm not too worried how they look. I bought these last year Halloween and I'm still using my stock. I think I got like 4 or 5 bags. I've used them from so many crafts over the winter months and summer months. It's been ridiculous. So I did a 6 configuration on the larger one, 5 on the smaller part. Grabbing some hot glue here. I'm just going to make some fast work of this for you. Making sure they're all nice and straight. Feeling it here. Now that I'm done all that, what I'm going to grab next is spray paint. Taking some Rust-Oleum because I like Rust-Oleum because it's a 2-part cover. Not sure if you have it in the US as well, but it's a really good coverage. Now, I am particular with the gloss in this case because I like how it shines up on the wood grain. I think it looks really cool too. Using a matte finish would also look super sharp. Grabbing a color shift paint. One of my favorite types of paint to use. This one has this lilac base, but it has some royal blue hues with some golden hues that are mixed in with this too. Notice I didn't use any moon water or water. I'm just going to be dry brushing this over top of the skulls to bring out some detail, to bring out some of that purple in this. Now what I did wind up doing is 2 coats, so I let it dry well. And then I did a second coat of a just quick little dry brush just to intensify some of the purple. The camera doesn't quite pick up the lilac, it's picking up more the gold, but it is there and it is gorgeous. Now that those are drying, I have this gorgeous amethyst. Now, you can see the paintbrush marks a little bit on this. You can see this was a raw amethyst, and I took some clear resin, painted on it, shined it up, cooked it, put it under the UV light, and made it look so nice and bright. And it's this $4 stone now is absolutely gorgeous, and it's going to find a new home here. Grabbing some hot glue again. And looks like I didn't quite put enough on for it to grab. So getting a better glob on there now. So I'm going to do another little bead of hot glue on either side to hold it into place a little bit better. While that's cooling down, I'm going to grab my black paint, just a matte black, and I'm going to paint over top of the glue, and should match up the black flat metal bar that is attached to, and then it's going to look like it's all part of it. You don't see any hot glue in the way. It'll probably just look like a more of like a metal weld. Yeah, there we go. Let that dry. We're going to now assemble this all together. Now you can see the purple hue coming out. Couple layers on the top. I think it looks so sharp. Now this just comes with a screw in the bottom. Has an Allen keyhole, and this just comes apart in the center. This quick and easy, such an easy little craft to do. Again, you can put on like Halloween decor. You can put this as your makeup stand. Maybe this would be for your spell bottles, or for me, I'm putting all my oils. Maybe your potions and salves and tinctures could go on here. And now the reveal. I'm in love with this little apothecary stand, this little skull stand. Again, this may have cost me $8 or $9 altogether, Canadian, to put this together. Enjoying all my special oils that I've been collecting this past year, some divination ink, some moon waters. I'm excited to show off my new stand and elevate my oils so I can see and find them all much easier. Thanks so very much for chilling out with me, and have yourself a magical day.